Hello, my name is Genevieve. I'm a ScarAway user and advocate, and I want to talk to you about how to care for both your skin and the ScarAway product to help you have the best possible experience. Okay, first, let's talk about caring for your skin. It is very important that you keep your hands and the area around the scar clean for proper application. Make sure you use soap without moisturizers, lotions, or oils, which make it harder for the sheet to adhere. If you need to use lotions or oils for the other areas of your skin, make sure not to apply them to the scar area and that you wash your hands really well before applying your sheet. When you apply your sheet, carefully remove it from its liner so it doesn't stick to itself, and then apply it firmly over the scar. Start in the middle and smooth outward, making sure to press down the edges. You can wear the sheet for up to 12 to 23 hours a day, then remove it for care. For best results, wash the sheet properly after each use using a moisturizer-free soap and warm water. Vigorously work the soap in with your fingers to remove any residue from the silicone side. Trust me, you do not have to be gentle. Inside the box, there's a plastic storage strip. After you wash the sheet, make sure to give it a good rinse and then place it with the adhesive side down on that strip to dry completely. The sheets can take a few hours to air dry, so the best way to extend the life of the product is to start a 2-sheet cycle. While your first sheet is drying, you can clean and dry your scar area, apply a new sheet, and be on your way. You can then alternate these 2 sheets over the next 14 to 20 days. Consistent coverage is key to success. You can wear the sheets for most daily activities other than showering or swimming. Also, the sweat and oils produced when working out might cause it to loosen or fall off. So if you exercise often like I do and you want to keep coverage during that time, consider alternating sheets for ScarAway gel, which is water resistant. I hope these tips help you find as much success with ScarAway as I've had. With proper care, a single sheet can last up to 7 to 10 days. For more information, refer to your product insert or visit scaraway.com.